Hello, it's Natalie from Molten Imaginings and welcome to another video. Today I'm outside Coast Candle Co. to pick up a candle I made. Let's go in. As someone who paints with wax, I have never got into the idea of scented candles before, and I think this is mainly because of my hay fever. It means that I don't generally trust my nose when it comes to things which smell very nice. So today I decided I was going to give scented candles another go and participate in a candle making workshop, which is run by Janice at Coast Candle Co.
Yeah, you're just going to make your own scent in your candle and make it that's uniquely yours. So
Fantastic.
I always say there's no right or wrong because it's about you and your feelings and your nose, and it'll tell you what you like and what you don't like. So as you've noticed, we've got all our fragrances and they're grouped into
so many different ones.
the different fragrance families. Yeah. So floral, citrus, green and fresh, etc. So this is the fun part, getting to create and pick your own. So I suggest just going out and having a sniff of.
So I'm allowed to just go and sniff them?
Yeah, of course. Just get stuck in and have a sniff.
Lovely.
So have a smell, and then the ones that you like, that you think you're going to maybe like to put in your blend, then keep it to the side, and then because you're going to put the
How
fragrance.
many different ones would you suggest?
No more than 3 probably, just to keep it from getting too complicated. So, but you don't even have to use 3. You can use 1 or 2 or 3. Some people find just 1 that they really
and
like.
And when they mix together, they make a different smell.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
So do you do any test mixings?
Or? Well, we do when we're making them. But what you're going to do is put the fragrances onto scent strips. So like this. So you'll use a separate one for each fragrance. So you just you can dip it into the bottle, you get a little bit on the end, and then for whatever fragrances you use, you're just going to take them and waft them together and experiment that way. That's how you're going to test it, just to see what works and what doesn't. Double that actually, so do 2 more each of.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you can see how it's got a bit of an oily slick.
Really stir it through.
And it'll become clear.
Oh, I see. Not too vigorous.
Yeah, because you don't want to create air bubbles.
Oh, yes. Oh, there we go. And would you say that's alright?
That looks good, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so then you just want to pour into your jar, and these are quite good pourers. Don't worry about that, we'll straighten it when it's.
Wow. That looks amazing. Thank you so much for helping me.
I had less to do with the hot wax than I thought I was going to in this process, but it was still a really enjoyable experience. At the end of the session, we created a story around the scents which were in the candle, and the story I created was about not letting my hay fever hold me back and trusting my sense of smell to guide me into entering the world of scented candles for the first time. I'm so glad I participated. Thank you very much for watching.